back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Chantal. Thank you so much for tuning in to your best place for wig reviews. Alright love, so today is all about this gorgeous wig you see right here. It's synthetic. Synthetic where? See? Oh, you can slay for less. Like, nobody's gonna tell me nothing. I literally just took it out of the box and I installed the hair that you see. I didn't pluck. I just did a baby hair, cut the lace, and did baby hairs on this bad boy right here. You see her. She's looking all cute. All cute. Alright, in today's video, I have this gorgeous synthetic wig from the What Lace collection. Is KIYARI. Yeah, did I call it right? Yeah, KIYARI. That's the name. Let me bring it up close so you guys can see. So we have it in other colors right there, and so I picked up the fall colors. This is gorgeous, guys. So let's see what's inside. Ooh. So this is the wig right here. This is the wig right here. This is the color. The color is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. So cute. Alright, let me take this out. What's killing me is the hairline. The hairline of this wig is dope. The hairline is dope, y'all. It's super duper cute. Ooh, she is full. She is full. This is gorgeous. Let me come up close so you guys can see the hairline. You'll see the hairline right there. So the parting comes right up to right here. This is gorgeous. Alright, and it's got baby hairs. So it comes with two combs in the front, right there. A comb at the back, right there. And a breathable, very breathable hair net. And that's the lace right there. And an adjustable strap.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up.
So now this is how the wig comes straight out of the box. Let me go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'm going to use a got-to-be spray and just glue it down to secure it more, okay? And then use a gel to lay down the baby hair, okay?
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building, it's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
So I'm sorry, I'm gonna be looking over this way because the mirror is right here so that I see what I'm doing. Okay, guys.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me.
Y'all, baby hair formation is a struggle, guys. So your girl is still struggling so hard. Okay, at least I got a little bit of swoops. Let me go ahead and tie it down for a couple of minutes, and then I'll come back and take this off. Like you could wear her in a middle part like this, okay?
No.
Or guys, if you're not following me, go follow me on Instagram so you can see this picture right here. So here it is. So if you like, you can put it in a middle part like this, and this at the back. Right there. But I love it better in the side part, okay? Bring it right back to the side part. Bring it right back. There you go. There she is. KIYARI.
Amira.
She's cute. It's soft. It's not matted. My hands, see my fingers just glide through. Alright, love, thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless you all. And if you know you're a mama, you love to look good, you love wigs, you love natural hair, all things beauty and lifestyle, please, if I encourage you, if I inspire you, if I motivate you, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and make sure you turn on the notification bell button so every time I post new videos, you're on here and ready to watch, guys. And also, do not forget, you can watch my other videos like for natural hair cares and other videos of wig reviews that I have done. Take care, y'all, and love you all as always. Bye, guys.